Hey sociologists, how are you? Just want to check in as I do. Happy Monday. Hope you're enjoying the sunny weather if you're in this area. It's amazing. Weird, it's February, I know. It's not summer, but it feels sort of like it. So here we are. We're doing groups and organizations, and it's just kind of the idea of how institutions kind of shape our behavior. What and you kind of touched on some of this in terms of how you write your papers, which I'm working through right now, and kind of thinking about how society shapes us, right? Society makes us human. Those are the kinds of things that you have already been learning about sociologically. But understanding then group reference and like what groups are shaping you, because honestly there's many groups and there's many institutions throughout society, but depending on who you are, your place in society, where you reside in terms of like the things you do and the way you interact with people, certain things affect you more specifically than others. And so some of that's based on privilege and inequality. Some of it's based on access. Some of it's geographically located. So there's lots of different kind of ways in which we how these institutions are shaping us. But anyways, that's what you're going to work on this week, and you're going to look at organizations, and you're going to look at something called the McDonaldization of society, which is a really kind of sociological kind of thing that, like, if you can drop that in a conversation, people will be like, "Oh, that's pretty cool." So keep that in mind, and go forth and conquer. Have a really, really good week. I look forward to seeing your posts on this. There's not another assignment due except for the weekly posts until the midterm, so you can take a deep breath. You did a bunch of stuff, and now you can relax a little bit. And I'm really excited to look at yourself in context activities or projects too. All right. Have a good week. Bye.